If you wanted a Sprinter in the 1980s, this is what you got, long before Mercedes ever built one. God bless America. Captain Quint had the Orca. Johnny Montauk has this fine fishing vessel. If the fish are biting, Johnny Montauk will be there. Today we're in Jones Beach because the fishing is really good here today. Let's check out his fishing vessel. Look, it identifies as a 4x4. If you want to impress the fishermen around here, don't show up in one of them fancy newfangled RVs. This is what you need for street cred. He's got the stickers to prove it. From Cape Cod to Montauk and everywhere in between, Johnny knows the best fishing spots. Let's step back into the 1980s and check out this vintage ride. Ooh, nice shell collection. This is the best layout I feel of any Class C RV. Plenty of room, beds in the back corner, shower and the toilet are over here, just with some curtains to close them off. Efficient. Dinette turns into a bed for two people to sleep. And everything in lovely shades of brown. And plenty of room for your fishing gear up top, or for kids to go sleep in, and a little swivel chair. Captain's chairs for the captain to pilot his vessel. And the best thing about this thing is it will never be eaten by a shark, and it could never sink. And here's the man himself with his record catch. What a fish. Flat screen TV, rooftop AC, microwave, double sinks, and a full stove and an oven also. Everything you need. Your perfect little fishing shack on wheels. I love this thing. And the dogfish. Beware of the dog. Vintage graphics, also in lovely shades of brown. No, it's not a 4x4, but check out the full-size wheel covers. Awesome. Teach a man to fish, and you'll never see him again. That's Johnny's favorite saying. Even the cookies are from Montauk. Yeah. I gotta steal a cookie. Oh yeah, baby. Montauk the best. He won't mind.